Hey everybody, I got a little bit of a different video for you today. I had a viewer request for a Medpouch dump to see what I carry in my Medpouch. So let's talk about it. So welcome everybody, I'm John and this is Unpackd, a place where we unpack all the details about your favorite bags, EDC and travel related gear. But today I'm coming at you with a little bit of a different video, a pouch dump. So like I said in the intro, I had a viewer request about what I keep in my little Medpouch here. So I thought it'd be a fun little video. So we're gonna go ahead and do an unpacking here about what I keep. And if you're new to the channel, I do loadouts of different bags and travel related gear, and I always use my real gear. And in my videos, this is the Medpouch that I use. This is perfect. I carry it from bag to bag to bag, and I can easily swap it out in between different carries, what I'm carrying for the day. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So let's start with the pouch itself. This here is a Garage Built Gear Mighty Pouch Plus. Now the only thing that makes this a plus versus the regular Mighty Pouch is it has this back zipper here. But yes, so these things run about $49 and they're often sold out, but he often restocks them. I'll put a link in the description here. Again, I'm not an affiliate. These aren't affiliate links. So links will just take you directly to the website. But yes, this is a Garage Built Gear Mighty Pouch Plus in 1000D Cordura and multicam black. It has this 3-inch loop field on the front, and I attached my medic patch there. Along the back, you have just a 1000D Cordura with the zippered pocket here. They are using YKK zipper. This is a number 5 here on this one. And then on the main zipper, it uses a beefy number 9 YKK zipper, which I love, and it makes opening this pouch super easy. I mean, the zipper, it's really overkill, but this thing is awesome. And you have this GoRuck style silent paracord pull here with the heat shrink on top. So let's go ahead and dive in here to the Medpouch. So it's more of a boo-boo pouch, as I call it, and you'll see why here in a little bit. So this thing is not like a first aid kit. It's not going to save your life, but these are the things that I find necessary and I carry on me day to day. Things I use often, all the time. So undoing that number 9 zipper, it opens up full clamshell style and it reveals the internal components here. So again, you have that 1000D Cordura. So let's go ahead and walk through it. So we'll start here with the Ikigai Nano. So this thing is a super expensive way to carry your pills, but it is awesome. It's CNC powder coated painted here with this purple. It has this little thumb square here so you can easily slide open. And this is my most used item. This is just Advil and some generic ibuprofen because I ran out of Advil. But yes, when you get into this EDC game, you find much nicer ways to carry your stuff. I was previously using a little plastic container, but I came across this Ikigai cases, and these things are awesome. CNC machine, like I said, easily push open. There's a ball bearing locking mechanism in there, so it keeps the lid from accidentally opening, and it keeps it from flying off there. But yes, really cool. This is where I keep my Advil and generic ibuprofen. Again, I'll put a link to this in the bio. This thing here is gonna run you close to 50 bucks, like 42, 45 bucks. But man, and there is no alternatives. I haven't found any cheaper CNC milled aluminum cases like this. So really cool, probably overkill, but I'll put the link in the description if you wanna check that out. Really cool cases, come in a variety of colors. Really like those. So up front, the main thing that I use all the time, because I work with my hands and I often get cuts, little paper cuts, little things here, but I have a variety of different Band-Aids. I got small, medium, and large Band-Aids tucked right into this pouch right at the top. Different sizes, and it's good to keep different sizes there. And along with that, I have a little bit of Neosporin. I probably could try to find a little bit smaller bottle, but it fits in there easy enough. Right here along the front too, just some Pepto chews for the stomach, you know, in case you get the bubble guts. And that's why I refer to this as my boo-boo pouch, because I got some stuff in here for the stomach. Single-use hand sanitizer, again, when you're out and about and I forget my bottle, but I always have my pouch. I got some hand sanitizer there. And then some antiseptic burn cream in case you get burned, which I have had happen to me. So it just keeps some single packets just in case. And then you see you have the 2 drop-in pockets here on this side. You have a bigger drop-in on the back. And on the back of this one, I got a moist towelette there, cleaning wipe for your hands, helps remove dirt. Then I got some alcohol prep pads there if you got to clean up some wounds, and some larger gauze if needed. So that's pretty much this whole side of the pack. I guess, like I said, on this Medpouch Plus, you just have the 2 drop-ins here. Oh, another pad. 2 drop-ins up front and a bigger drop-in on the back. On this side, you have a drop-in down here, and then you have some elastics here. And right here I have Uncle Bill's sliver gripper. So this is just a little portable, if I can get it open here, tweezers. Again, since I work with my hands, wood splinters and really metal slivers that get stuck in my hand, it's easy just to pull those right out with a little pair of tweezers. And it comes with this little like sheath here to keep it from poking through your pouch. These are the matte black ones. They often come in silver and these matte black. I'll put a link to these. These things are really cheap, really portable, easy, and they're fine tips so they can really get those little slivers out of your finger. But yes, these are Uncle Bill's sliver gripper. I'll put the link of those. Got these right off of Amazon. On this side, I do keep a nail clipper. Again, working with my hands, I always manage somehow to break a nail, and then I have like a hang nail. And trying to work the rest of the day with a broken nail is a pain in the butt. It comes in handy very, very often though I use the nail clipper just to get those broken nails and hang nails right out. And again, you have these elastics where you can put other items, and you'll see people online load these up with pocket knives and flashlights and all this stuff, but I felt this was the perfect size. This is the smallest size. It comes in now Mighty XL, and then the Mightier, and then all the way up to your EDC organizer, which is like really, really big. Perfect size. I may upgrade to the XL in the future, but we'll see. In this back drop-in pocket, I have some Imodium. Again, boo-boo pouch. If you got some stomach issues, I've got you covered, Imodium and Pepto. And I just realized that I don't have my Tums. I used all my Tums. I usually have a few packs of Tums in here too, so I need to restock. I'm missing my Tums. I usually keep a few tablets of Tums. In the back drop-in pocket, I keep some Tylenol and some Dramamine. Now, it's probably not necessary for me to carry Dramamine daily, but this pouch goes everywhere with me. So when we travel, the reason I keep Dramamine is because somehow there's always a boat and water involved, and it's always good to have Dramamine because I've got stomach issues sometimes with the motion sickness. So Tylenol if you got a fever, Dramamine for the motion sickness, Pepto, and that's all I carry on the inside of this pouch. But you have more pockets on the outside. So we'll flip this around. Back here in the zipper pouch, I keep just a couple of cough drops. Those are always good to have on hand, and an emergency $20 bill just in case. This is, you know, a med pouch, but at least I know where I have my emergency 20. On the front here, you have this little slip pocket, and when it's packed out, it really holds the contents in there pretty well. But I keep some Zyrtec allergy medication because living in South Texas, the allergies go crazy here. So I normally take my medication, but in case I forget, I always keep that thing on me. Gotta keep the Zyrtec. Again, now I just realized I need to restock my Tums, but yeah, that's pretty much it. It's the Medpouch Plus, you know, perfect. Like I said, these things run about 50 bucks retail, and they're stocked quite often. Right now they're currently sold out, but these things are readily available on the secondhand market. And that's where I picked this guy up. Secondhand market, I only paid $35 for this. And like I said, perfect size. It's about 4 inches across, 5 inches long. You know, it's about 2 inches deep when it's packed out. And it's the perfect size to take from bag to bag. You know, sling fits in my sling, it fits in my backpack, it fits in a variety of places. Even fits into a GoRuck wire dop. You know, it has the sections measured out. This thing literally goes everywhere. So that's what I keep in my boo-boo pouch. So let me know, guys, is this a kind of video you want to see? I can do, you know, some more unpackings of my other pouches that I carry daily. But like I said, when I do my loadouts in my video, I'm using real gear. I'm trying to replicate a real scenario as best as I can. And like I said, if you see my videos, this pouch is always loaded up no matter what bag or sling that I'm trying. And yes, it's a real thing. It's a real thing that I really carry. So let me know, guys, down in the comments, would you like to see some more videos like this of my other packs, my other pouches, my tool pouch? I thought this was a fun little idea, and thank you. This video was brought to you by the comments. So if you have any more ideas, or if you find this video useful, go ahead and don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. And if you're not already, follow me on Instagram. I'm always posting stuff on Instagram, memes, other random stuff. Give me a follow there. But I have another video coming for you later this week, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little unpacking here on Unpacked. But I'll catch you later this week on my next video. Thanks, guys.